Hey guys, today I want to give a big shout out to an organization that has been super instrumental in the success of my company. My name's Brooks. I'm a local house buyer right here in the tri-state area. Where is that? Maryland, West Virginia, Pennsylvania, right here along the I-81 corridor, Interstate 81. Anyway, the company that I'm speaking of directly is Steel Marketing, specifically Caleb and his team there. Caleb has been an absolute beast. He's such a great guy to work with. He goes above and beyond the call of duty. I'm able to speak to Caleb on weekends, evenings, you name it. If I shoot Caleb a text, I get a response. That's what you want, not only in today's world and business, but anytime that you're dealing in the business space, you want somebody to respond. Caleb and the team there at Steel Marketing, that's what you get from them. And what I love about it is I'm an exclusive client, meaning my territory's already been claimed. And that gives me like all of his attention for my market. He puts me in right in front of the customers that I need to be in front of. And that's how we're able to help so many sellers here in our market, right? They find us on Google. They find us on Bing. They find us all over the internet because of Caleb and Steel Marketing. So if you're interested or if you need someone to help you with your SEO, your PPC, basically that's all a bunch of jargon to get online and get in front of the right customers, reach out to Steel Marketing today. You can find them on Facebook. Just Google it, right? Google Steel Marketing. You'll find Caleb and his team. But I absolutely love them. They're great at what they do. He produces results, and that's the number one thing, and he's readily available. Reach out to him today. See if he's got an opening in the market that you're looking to work. All right, man. I can't say enough about those guys. Thanks a lot, Caleb and the team down there at Steel Marketing. Appreciate it. I look forward to another great year of working with you guys. Thanks.